In this final section, we'll focus on measuring the performance of your DALL-E generated visuals and identifying areas for improvement. We'll discuss establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, A/B testing, and optimizing DALL-E usage, as well as staying up to date with DALL-E advancements to ensure your marketing campaigns remain at the forefront of innovation. Establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure DALL-E's impact. To gauge the effectiveness of your DALL-E visuals, it's essential to establish relevant KPIs that align with your marketing objectives. Examples of KPIs include engagement metrics, likes, shares, comments, click-through rates, conversion rates, and time spent on page. By tracking these KPIs, you can assess the performance of your DALL-E images and make data-driven decisions to enhance your marketing campaigns. A/B testing and evaluating DALL-E generated visuals. A/B testing is a valuable method for determining which DALL-E visuals resonate most with your audience. By creating multiple versions of an image with varying elements, such as color, style, or composition, you can test their performance and identify which version drives better results. Use the insights gained from A/B testing to refine your DALL-E visuals and tailor them to your audience's preferences. Identifying areas for improvement and optimizing DALL-E usage. Continuously evaluate the performance of your DALL-E visuals and identify areas for improvement. This may involve adjusting text prompts, experimenting with different image styles, or exploring new applications for DALL-E generated images within your marketing strategy. By regularly reviewing and optimizing your DALL-E usage, you can ensure your marketing campaigns remain fresh, engaging, and effective. Staying up to date with DALL-E advancements and incorporating new features. As an AI-driven tool, DALL-E is constantly evolving, with new features and capabilities being developed. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to keep abreast of these advancements and incorporate them into your marketing efforts. Subscribe to relevant newsletters, follow industry experts, and participate in online forums to stay informed about DALL-E updates and best practices. By measuring and improving the performance of your DALL-E generated visuals, you can ensure your marketing campaigns continue to drive better results. Combining data-driven insights with a commitment to ongoing optimization, you'll be well equipped to harness the full potential of DALL-E and create captivating marketing campaigns that resonate with your target audience and achieve your marketing objectives.